Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can play against friends in chess.com, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, you have a way to play with friends already here on the main page. You just have to click here on this button that says play a friend, and then select a friend that you want, or search them by email or username. You can do that, or you can click play and then click play on a friend, and then you can do the same exact thing from here. You can create a challenge link, you can send an email invite, you can find Facebook friends, or you can search them by email or username, just the same, and that is pretty much how you do it. However, you can also do another thing. You can go into social and then go and search somebody by username. Actually, go into friends and then you can search somebody by username. For example, let's say somebody named Ben, and as you can see, we have these 5 people that come up. For example, if I wanted to challenge this guy, named B. Handelman, just press here on the challenge button, and the challenge will be sent to him, and you will be able to play against that person if they accept. You can also add them as a friend, so you can much more easily challenge them in the future. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.